Hello everyone, myself Shraddha Tani from 10th English Medium, Real Academy branch Vasin. Today I am here to present my project about menstrual cycle. So basically what is meant by menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle is a natural process occurring in females. It is controlled by 4 hormones, mainly follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, progesterone and estrogen. There are mainly 2 cycles, ovarian cycle and menstrual cycle. Ovarian cycle mainly takes place in oviduct. So first of all, the cycle begins when the hormone is released in pituitary gland of brain. The brain contains a hormone which is called as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus present in female body. It secretes one hormone which is called as gonadotropin releasing hormone. The gonadotropin releasing hormone reaches towards the pituitary gland through the blood and it secretes 2 hormones which is called as follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Here we can see the growth of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. In the ovarian cycle, due to the stimulation of follicle stimulating hormone, one of the several oocytes starts developing. This stage is known as growing follicle stage. After 9 to 10 days, the follicle is mature and this stage is known as Graafian stage. The follicles start to secrete estrogen. Meanwhile, developing follicle completes its development and it bursts under the effect of luteinizing hormone. And many oocytes are released. This process is called as ovulation. The remaining tissues of burst follicle transforms into corpus luteum. If the corpus luteum is not fertilized within 24 hours, then it turns into corpus albicans. Now I would like to hand over it to Shravani Maitri.
So here I will explain you about the menstrual cycle. Actually, what is a menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle are the repetitive changes that occur in between the interval of 20 to 30 days and it occurs at a puberty age. Now what is a puberty? Puberty means when the sexual reproductive organs of a female are fully mature and that is about 12 to 15 years. Now I'll explain you how actually the process occurs. Now, one of the several follicles in the ovary starts to develop along with the oocyte present in it under the effect of follicle stimulating hormone and it secretes estrogen. Now endometrium starts to develop under the effect of estrogen. Meanwhile, follicle completes its development and it gets burst due to the luteinizing hormone. The tissues of the burst follicle are converted into the corpus luteum. If the corpus luteum is not fertilized within the 24 hours, then it becomes inactive and gets converted into corpus albicans. The follicle secretes the progesterone. Unfertilized ovum and the degenerated endometrium are discarded out through the vagina and it is accompanied by the bleeding. This bleeding continues for 5 days and this all is called as a menstruation.
Menstruation generally takes place for 21 days or 35 days in a normal woman, but if the length of menstrual cycle is short, then the follicular stage is also short, and if it is big, follicular stage is also big. There are 2 phases, mainly follicular phase and luteal phase. The follicular phase may vary, but the luteal phase is always for 14 days only. The menstrual cycle takes place approximately for 5 days, and from the next month, next cycle begins.
We have made here about the female reproductive system. It consists of pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct, a single uterus and single vagina. This all is a fundus of uterus, the body of the uterus, cervix, vagina, endometrium and ovary.
Uterus has 3 layers. The inner layer is called as endometrium, middle layer is called as myometrium and the upper layer is called as petriometrium. Generally every month the ovum are released in the oviduct from the ovary. There is funnel-like structure at the end of the ovary and there is one at the center of the oviduct. There is one place from which the oocytes enters the oviduct. When the oocytes enters the oviduct, it are discarded out through vagina and it is accompanied by bleeding. This is called as menstruation.
This is all about menstrual cycle. Thank you.